Accept. Accept. She accepted the invitation. Add. Add. She added sugar to her coffee. Admire. Admire. I really admire her honesty and courage. Advise. Advise. The doctor advised him to rest. Allow. Allow. They allowed us to enter early. Announce. Announce. She announced the winner of the competition. Answer. Answer. He answered all the questions correctly. Apologize. Apologize. He apologized for being late. Apply. Apply. She applied for a job at the new company. Argue. Argue. They often argue about money. Arrive. Arrive. The train arrived on time. Ask. Ask. She asked a question. Avoid. Avoid. She avoided spicy food. Bake. Bake. She baked a cake. Become. Become. He becomes a teacher this year. Begin. Begin. Let's begin the meeting now. Behave. Behave. The children behaved well during the trip. Believe. Believe. I believe she is telling the truth. Belong. Belong. This book belongs to Sarah.